What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Right there. Alright, today we got a new model, 17 SuperDuty, and we have the block heater cord disable recall. Alright, part of this recall is we're going to de-pin, we're going to pull all three of these out, and we are going to apply silicone, clear rubber silicone, to this end and this end here to seal the cap to the end of the plug. But the owners will get another notification in the mail saying to come back to the dealer to get their new block heater cable installed. So, alright, this is what we're going to do. Okay, so I'm just going to take a big old pair of pliers and I'm going to hold the socket onto here because I'm going to be pulling. Okay, that's one. Don't punch yourself. We had a guy over here pull it out and one of the terminals cut his arm, so try not to do that. Alright, and then alright, I'm just gonna cut the rest of these out. Okay, then we're gonna come back with this part number right there. Stinky clear rubber silicone. Smells just like what you use for your bathtub. Just gonna, oh, the clog is coming back out. I pushed it down in there. I'll push it to the side. There's a couple of them in there. There we go. And just put the cap back on. Just kind of hold it for a few seconds. Just kind of get it to here, make sure it doesn't pop off when I let go. So, and then we just put it back up in here in this little clip right there, and it will hang out there until further notice. Alright guys, I'm actually replacing the old block heater cord. This one was going to have the prongs pulled out, but the new cable is available for this truck. The other trucks will slowly trickle themselves into the dealership once parts get to their allocated locations. But you can see the old one, we had a two-piece. This is where we were having corrosion problems, water getting in here. This is facing the front of the truck. I didn't know what they were going to do, but I thought maybe they would flip this connector around where it was facing the back of the vehicle. But somebody decided to make it all one piece, which is even better. So the new block heater cord cable is all one piece right here. Got the same locating twangs to plug in to their corresponding holes. But yeah, old, new, 2017. Just working through the wheel well and clipping everything in as it goes down along. So, alright. Tell me what you guys think about that in the comment section below. If anybody's had to do their recall on their truck or taking it to the dealer for their block heater cord replacement. Alright you guys, see you next Friday.